happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Pipi. God will bless always. More birthdays to come, huh? Wish you all the best.
Hello everyone. I would like to greet you a happy birthday to Sofia. Ayan, si Fai ng Sophie. Si Sophie ba? Happy birthday kay Sofia. Ayan, Sophie. And more birthdays to come dito po sa TLFM 101.1. Yes, siya po ay nagdiriwang ng kanyang kaarawan. And stay strong, healthy, and more beautiful. Next talaga naman. And also sa lahat po ng mga kaibigan mo. At lalong-lalo na sa atin pong celebrant today. Binabati ka namin ng isang maligayang kaarawan mula sa TLFM 101.1. At syempre, kasama ang inyong kapitan. Happy birthday, Sophie!
And hello at happy birthday sis Fe at wish you all the luck and happiness always. Sana makamit mo lahat ng mga dream mo sa buhay at wish you na matagpuan mo na yung Mr. Right sa buhay mo. Ayan, at again happy birthday to you sis Fe at you're so sweet and stay humble at sana maging matatag ka pa sa lahat ng mga darating na problema at I wish you all the happiness birthday mo. Ayan. Happy birthday sis Fe. Love you. Mwah.
Hi, Sis P. Happiest birthday to you. Sis P as in letter P. Okay, so to the most generous and kind person I know, thank you so much sa pagmamahal mo sa amin, sa mga admins, moderators, DJs, chatters, and gamers natin sa Telefam, sa walang sawang pag-sponsor sa mga games, and sa lahat ng efforts mo na magpa-game kahit 'di ba busy ka minsan. And yeah, I just wanted to know that I really appreciate you, and we are so blessed to have you in Telefilm family. I wish you all the best in life, good health always, and may God bless and shower you with love and blessings you deserve. So yeah, stay pretty and sexy, Sis P. Enjoy your day. And yeah, cheers to more decades to celebrate. Have a blast. Mwah. Happy birthday to you.
Hi P, happy birthday. On your day, may your special day be filled with a laughter, a celebration, excitement, and love. Yan. And sana it will also filled with smiles, adventures, and I just hope that you will be surrounded with wonderful people in your life, and may you have beautiful moments to keep. And thank you for all the games. Nakaka-enhance ng utak kahit nakakaisa lang ako ng sagot. So, yun lang. Happy birthday, P. Enjoy your day and have a bless. God bless.
Hi sis! Happy birthday! Wishing you all the best in life. Your hopes and dreams come true. Stay humble, kind and generous. Again, happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your special day. God bless you. Love you, sis. Mwah.
Ima tagidli pe. Tagidla pe. Pe. Yung moleded sa mayak. Vema atrot sa lehagidla. Okay. Tagidla baanglit. Happy birthday. Mas birthday. Happy birthday. Okay. So, ang sabi niya, happy birthday to you. Congrats all the years of your life. So, yun lang. From Lola.
Happy birthday, P. Salamat sa mga pag-sponsors and pag-Gmo na parang pang matalino. Kaya alam mo na, palagi wala akong score. Sa totoo lang, mabilis naman ako mag-isip eh. Kaso yung paglalakbay ng sagot mula sa utak ko, papunta sa daliri ko, yun ang problema. May delay. Isa pa, daliri ko, sakop 3 letra sa keypad. I'm struggling, you know. Besides, perhaps, actually, pag open ko pa lang sa pic, may sagot na sila. So, paano na? Hirap ng buhay natin. Kidding aside, I wish sana damihan mo pa yung day off mo para maraming G at marami kang napapasaya. Ngayong birthday mo, sana ikaw naman yung mapasaya namin. Pero, syempre, ikaw pa rin magpapalaro. Sumaya ka na lang. Okay na yun. Happy birthday, P. Stay healthy, beautiful, and gorgeous. TLFM family loves you. Salamat sa lahat. Babush!
Happy birthday, P. Ingat ka palagi. May God bless you always. More candles to blow and enjoy your day. Sana napasaya ka ng mga tao sa CB tulad ng pagpapasaya mo sa kanila palagi sa laro mo. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday po.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ayun, happy birthday Saging. At wish you all the best. Praying for peace, love, joy, and happiness sa life mo. At yun, kung ano man ang desire ng puso mo, sana sasagutin ni God. At yun, kung asan ka man sulok ng mundo, mag-ingat-ingat ka lagi. At ayun, happy birthday Saging, and God bless you more and more.
祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。
Hi Sis Fe, binabati kita ng maligayang kaarawan sa araw na to. Naway marami pang dumating na kaarawan sa iyong buhay para ipagdiwang ito. At naway palagi kang maging malusog, masaya, at higit sa lahat naway palagi ka pang pagpalain ng ating amang nasa langit. Hindi lang sa physical na pagpapala, spiritual, at ganoon na rin sa pinansyal na pagpapala mula sa kanya. Salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa bawat game ng ating CB sa TeleFM family. Naway maging masaya ka sa araw na to. Stay sweet as you are at be kind palagi. Happy birthday sis! Greeting from Taiwan.
Wishing your birthday to be a lively celebration, akin to a balloon drifting freely into fresh adventures, elevated by the buoyancy of happiness and uplifting spirit that rises with each new aspiration you pursue. Allow the cake to represent the joy and peace of happiness in your existence. As you blow the candles, may every spark of light transport your dreams into a future filled with limitless opportunities. The present of today holds more than just gifts. It is a treasure trove of memories and happiness adorned with love and laughter. Happy birthday! Today, as you celebrate the gift of life, may your heart overflow with gratitude, not just for the years that have passed, but for every breath, every trial overcome, and every silent prayer answered. May you always remember that it is God's grace that you stand where you are today. His hand has guided you, His love has sustained you, and His purpose continues to unfold in your life. As you step into a new chapter, may your faith deepen, your spirit be renewed, and your journey be filled with divine favor. Never forget to keep God at the center of all you do, for in Him you find true joy, strength, and peace. God bless you richly now and always. I want to celebrate more than just the day you were born. I want to honor the kind of person you are. You have this quite powerful way of making people feel important simply by giving them your time. In a world where everyone's rushing, where time often feels scarce and stretched thin, you chose to slow down and be present. That's not just thoughtful, it's rare. Whether it's few minutes of your day or your full presence here in CB, what you give means more than you probably realize. Because time is something we can never get back, and yet you offer it freely, sincerely, and without expectation. That speaks volumes about your heart. I've learned that people who give their time are also the ones who give the most love, patience, and understanding. And remember, Sophie, you're all of that and more. I hope today and in the year ahead, you are surrounded by people who offer you the same grace, the same time, the same level of presence you give naturally to others. You deserve a day filled with peace, joy, and genuine connection because that's exactly what you bring to the lives around you. Happy birthday again, and thank you truly for all the moments you've shared. Thank you always for your time. Happy birthday, Sophie.
Ready? Oh, this is gonna be the best day of your life. I can't wait to sing. Hey, 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 happy birthday to you. Oh, diba? Happy birthday, Pe. Oh, diba? I'm struggling sa pag-pronounce ng name ni Pe. Kasi, as a Filipino, we pronounce the letter F as P and the letter P as F. So, anong connection? Wala lang. Anyway, congratulations, Pe. Happy birthday to you. Thank you for everything, lalo na sa time and sa effort mo sa pagpagawa ng mga games. And at marami kang napapasayo doon, of course. And also, sa pagiging SP, sa pagiging galante, maraming salamat. And ano pa ba? So, siguro yung wish ko lang talaga sa'yo is, yung pinaka-importante talaga is mayroon tayong peace of mind and of course, good health. And about naman sa love life, siguro masasabi ko lang, sabi nga ng Isaiah 60:22, When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. In God's perfect timing, ibibigay talaga sa'yo kung darating siya because you deserve it. At kung hindi man, sabi nga nila, God has the reason. Kasi para sa akin kasi, as long as you're happy and contented in your life, happiness na yon. So, yun lang. So, once again, happy birthday to you. Have a blessed and ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday!
Hi Sis Sophie, happy birthday to you. Siguro you wonder bakit ko alam ang iyong kaarawan today. Pero huwag mo na lang alamin, basta ang mahalaga ay importante. Ha. And I wish you all the best in life, sis. More successful career to come. Good health always. And syempre, stay cute like me. O diba, charot lang. At syempre, sure ako na happy ka sa ngayon. Dahil sigurado ako na sa vacation ka. Together with your families and friends. And syempre, alam ko din na masaya ka sa love life mo. Kahit hindi mo sinasabi sa akin. Charot. Parang manghuhula ko, no? So, thank you sa friendship na pinakita mo sa akin. Dahil alam ko na totoo kang kaibigan. Kung alala mo yun, sa chat box tayo. Kahit iilan lang tayo sa oras na yon kasi tayo yung pang midnight shift. Ang saya-saya natin, di ba? Tapos ano lang, bigla ka lang hindi na nag-chat. Siguro na busy ka yata sa love life mo. Pero okay lang yon. Basta happy ka lang. O diba? So, again sis, happy birthday. Enjoy. Ingat ka palagi dyan. And God bless you. Love lots from your friend, Yuserin.
Happy birthday, P. More birthday to come. Wish you good health. Stay healthy and strong.
Hi! Happy birthday, P. Ayan, happy birthday sa Mami Nicon. I wish you good health. More birthday to come and more blessings. Stay kalog as you are. Once again, happy birthday.
Hello, happy birthday, P. More years to come. Enjoy your day. Always keep safe. From Isha Kate. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, no, happy birthday.
Hi, Sis P. Happy birthday. Thank you sa friendship. Thank you sa laging, kahit na hindi tayo laging nag-uusap o nagkukwentuhan, may time talaga na nakikipagchismisan tayo sa isa't isa. Thank you sa matagal na pagkakaibigan, kahit na hindi tayo laging nag-uusap, laging nagkukwentuhan, naalala pa rin natin ang isa't isa. Thank you talaga bilang support. Napaka-supportive na kaibigan sa love life ko. Kahit ang galing-galing kong magpayo, nagbibigay pa rin ng payo sa akin minsan. Thank you sa pakikinig sa mga rants ko and sa mga tawanan, kwentuhan, chikahan, di ba? Wish ko talaga na makahanap ka ng taong mamahalin ka. Sobra-sobra pa sa ibibigay mong pagmamahal. Mag-asawa ka na, oy. Ang tagal.
Hello, Fee! It's me, DJ Mommy. Ayan, babati lang ako sa'yo. Happy birthday sa'yo and wish you all the best in life. Ayan, hindi man tayo magkakilala talaga in real but nararamdaman ko yung kabaitan mo, pagka busilak ng iyong puso, ayan o, busilak talaga. Di nga. Pero biro, ayan, nararamdaman ko talaga yung kabaitan mo. Sana hindi ka magbabago, lalo na yung pag-i-sponsor mo, pagpapikpik mo. Kahit hindi man ako nakakasali sa sa palaro mo dahil nga pang pang scholarship lang. Yung mga pag-game mo, hindi kaya ng utak ko. Natutuyuan ako ng utak pag pag sumali ako sa mga pag-game mo. Kaya nasa tabi lang ako. Ayan, happy birthday once again. Sana hindi ka magbabago sa iyong kabutihan, kabaitan. Chup chup.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, P. Wish ko sana huwag ka magbabago. Stay humble and generous. Wishing you all the best. More blessings and birthdays to come. And alam mo naman na hindi mabubuo ang Lucy kung wala ang fur. Kung wala ka. And huwag naman mo kakalimutan si God. Lagi kang magpapasalamat sa Kanya sa araw-araw. Yun lang. Once again, happy birthday, P. We love you.
Yo, P, 1, 2, 3. Happiest birthday to you. Go for more birthdays to celebrate here at TLFM. I wish you abundant blessings from above and, of course, good health and protection to your family. Stay simple, humble, and generous as you are. Kahit na may pagkamatampuhin ka, paminsan-minsan, just be who you are and, of course, keep doing things that pleases you and make you happy. Miss P, don't forget, you are loved as you are. So, don't, don't, you don't need to change anything with you. For your love life naman, I'm sure na marami na sila, lahat na sila nag-wish for you. So, makikisabay pa ba ako? Di ba? Di ba? But, of course, nasabi ko na to sa'yo dati. Before, and of course, it will still the same. I will be one of those person na magiging masaya once you find someone na mamahalin ka and namahalin ka ng tunay and tatanggapin ka ng buo. And ano bang dapat gawin? Ayun, yun. Deeply accept you as you are. And of course, I wish you happiness, love, and success in every aspect of your life. For now, just enjoy your life in every second of it because we don't know what the future will bring in our life. So just have fun and enjoy your day. Once again, happy birthday, Miss P. Mahal ka namin. Lahat dito sa TLFM. So have a blast on your birthday and I hope and thank you for being nice. And one of the sources of happiness in Telepinoy Telepinoy chat box, and of course one of my inspiration as being as a DJ, syempre. Kaya happy birthday once again. Ciao.
Hi, Pipi ko. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Hi, Miss B. Happy birthday. Long time no chat ah. Pasensya na. Ganun pala talaga pag, bagong kasal and pag may twins na inaalagaan. Nawawala ng time sa sarili. Charot. Happy birthday, Miss P. Thank you for for being so nice and kind to us. Thank you for your generosity. Thank you for always hosting some games that, actually challenges our brains na inaabangan talaga namin and nag-e-enjoy kami. Ayun. And since it's your birthday today, of course, I wish you all the love, all the success, all the happiness in life. I pray for your good health, for your career, for your love life, and for your safety every day. And what else? Ano pa ba? Pwedeng i-wish sa isang Miss P na parang you have it all na. Diba? Ayun, basta happy birthday, Miss P. Always remember that na maganda tayo inside and out. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Sis P. Enjoy your special day. More candles to blow and more blessings to come. I wish you a long life and always good health with your family. At sana lahat ng mga pinapangarap mo sa buhay ay pagkalob sa iyo ni Lord. At makamit mo ito lahat. At maraming salamat din kasi hindi ka nagsasawang nagsishare ng iyong blessings tuwing may palaro dito sa Telepim, tuwing may mag-birthday. Andiyan ka lagi na alam ko, isa ka sa masisipag nating sponsor palagi tuwing may palaro. At si Lord na ang bahalang magbalik sa iyo ng siksik, ligalig, nag-umapaw na blessings. At pagpatuloy mo lang yan, sis. Huwag ka magsasawa na mag-share ng iyong blessings kasi marami kang napapasaya. At alam ko hindi lang ikaw ang masisipag na sponsor natin yan. Marami sila, hindi ko man sila maisa-isa. Si Lord na ang bahalang magbalik sa inyo ng mas marami pa. At ingat palagi, Sis P. And again, happy birthday. Coming from Angel ng Taiwan. Love you.
Hi, Sisop. Happy birthday. Stay healthy. Tsaka buong family mo. God bless always. At tsaka thank you sa walang sawang pag-share ng mga blessings mo sa lahat. Sa walang sawang pagbibigay ng utak namin. Oo, masaya ako palagi sa ginagawa mo sa akin. Pinapahirapan mo ako sa kakaisip ng sagot. Sana magkakajowa na tayo. Charot. Happy birthday ulit. Sisop!
Happy birthday, Ninang P. Thank you for always sponsoring our games and making everything more fun. We really appreciate your generosity and joyful spirit. May God continue to bless you with love, health, and happiness. We love you, Ninang P.
Happy birthday po, Mami P. Wishing your birthday as wonderful as your heart. Mami P, thank you for always sharing joy and kindness with everyone. May the Lord continue to guide and bless you every day.
Happy birthday po, Mami P. Sana po masaya ka sa birthday mo. Thank you din po sa lahat ng saya at effort mo para sa CB. Kahit busy ka, gumagawa ka pa rin ng Guess the Pick para may games kami. Sana po makita mo na rin si Dawan kasi po baka maunahan po kita. Joke lang po. Na magmamahal sa iyo ng totoo. Ingat ka po palagi, Mami P. We love you.
حلوة يا جميل سنة حلوة يا جميل سنة حلوة سنة حلوة سنة حلوة يا جميل Happy birthday, Faye!
Hi, Faye. Happy birthday. Ibig sabihin nun, happy birthday, beautiful.
Hindi man natanggal. Parang yung bata pa, uy. Sabi ko nga hindi ka 21, 16 anyos ka.
Hello. Magandang gabi sa lahat. At maligayang happy birthday kay May F. Yun na lang, para hindi na tayo humaba pa dito. Mawala na tayo ng oras. So ulitin, bago tayo matapos, happy birthday ulit kay May F. Yun na lang, para hindi na tayo mapahaba dito. At ulitin, yun na lang, happy birthday ulit kay May F. At ang ating wish ko lang na sana na matagpuan na ang kanyang magiging kasama at magiging asawa sa kanyang buhay po naman. At siyempre maging masaya kasama ang kanyang pamilya po naman. Yun lang. At siyempre maging masaya kasama ang kanyang minamahal sa buhay po naman. At siyempre ingatan lagi ang sarili. At yun lang. Lagi mag-ingat. Lagi mag-ingat sa lahat ng sandali. Laging mag-ingat sa lahat ng sandali. Yun na lang ulit. At tama na siguro ito. Sa ulitin, happy birthday ulit kay May F.
Hello po, Ninang Fee. Happy birthday po. I will always wish you luck and I hope more birthdays to come and more games to come sa inyo po. And mag-iingat po kayo palagi. God bless po.
Hello po, Ninang P. Wishing you a wonderful birthday filled with joy and laughter and all the things that make you happiest. May this year po bring new adventures and special memories and endless reasons to smile. Happy birthday po, Ninang P. Always ingat.
Happy birthday po, Mommy Fee. Wishing you a very happy and blessed birthday po. May this special day brings you peace, happiness, and the love of those around you. Birthday is a wonderful reminder of how far we've come and the life we've touched along the way. True, we may not know each other personally, I sincerely hope your day is filled with joy and warmth. May you continue to be blessed with good health and strength in the coming year. May every moment today be meaningful and every wish come true. You deserve a day that reflects the kindness and grace you show to others. Thank you for the inspiration you bring, even from a distance. May your year ahead be filled with new opportunities, peace, and lasting happiness. Happy birthday po ulit, Mommy Fee. May you...